At the starting of it, I met this group of people. They were strangers to me at first, and at the end of it, I have a whole new group of friends.
It made me relate to something that I feel really close to, which is my home, Cayman Islands, and what I can do to protect it and make it flourish.
I feel like the skills I've learned are good communication skills with others, teamwork, helping others, organizing yourself, and preparing.
Most importantly, just hands-on experience in the real world.
YELC has helped me to build relationships, get to know people, get along with people, having to be able to get out there, dive, have fun,